Okay, I'm back. Facebook booted me again. I was just going to say, at least when you're holding it in your hand and doing it, you can kind of eyeball what a teaspoon is. Whereas if you're just rubbing it on the body, it's going to have a very thin layer of carrier. Then you are going to apply those drops, and you are going to have a lot more drops to carrier ratio at that point. So it's always a great idea to have at least a small bowl or something. And if this is something that you want to use regularly, I highly recommend make a roller bottle or make a small carrier oil bottle that you can, that has like one of those lotion pumps, or that has one of those button caps on it that you can just drip some out afterwards, or even a container with a lid that you screw on, something so that you are making sure that you are properly measuring and diluting, especially when it comes to using essential oils on your child, because the dilution is going to be much higher doing it in that manner where you're rubbing the coconut oil on and then you're applying the essential oils on top of it. And of course, you need to know which essential oils also that you are using and that are being applied to the skin, because some of them need to be diluted a lot more than just, splashing it directly onto the skin. Now, the Thieves blend or On Guard or any of the anti-germ blends, I don't care what company it is, they generally have the same essential oils in them. They'll have rosemary and eucalyptus, which are not recommended for under age 10 due to the inhalation of it possibly causing labored breathing or slowed respiration in children under age 10. But also the concern is the clove and the cinnamon bark. Now, some companies have lemon, some have orange, but the other four are pretty much standard. The clove and the cinnamon bark, they need a lot of dilution. A clove is a 0.4, cinnamon bark is 0.01, cinnamon leaf is 0.8.